Hi guys, my name is Mattaya and I'm the newest lab assistant in the Science Maker lab at Laurier. In this video, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about myself so you can get to know me a little bit better. To start off with, I'm a health science student going into my 4th year in the fall. I have 3 dogs at home, a pug, a chihuahua, and a small dog that is made up of a mix of many different breeds. In my free time, I love to watch Bob Ross videos, I love to paint, I love to be creative, and that's something that I loved so much about the Science Maker Lab is that I could go in and be super creative on SolidWorks and just create whatever I wanted. This is the first ever creation I made in the Science Maker Lab. It's a little tombstone made out of wood that says on it because one day in the lab, Ron drew a little drawing up on the whiteboard because I kept saying and so I decided to make it out of wood. One final thing about me is that my catchphrase, especially in the lab, is, "Wait, what?" And this is mostly from Ron speaking too fast or me just not understanding something that he said. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I can't wait to meet you all whenever the Science Maker Lab starts up again.